Hi all. Today I am going to demonstrate how the push button switch and LED are interfaced using Raspberry Pi. So let me just explain about this. This is my breadboard where you can see there is one push button switch which was black and then LED glowing over there, and this is your Raspberry Pi connected with the laptop, and this is the code for that. So you just see I'm using the pin number 13 as an output, and it is of course in the board mode, and 7 as an input. And when the input is false, or that is when you don't press it, the LED is continuously blinked. You see the LED is now continuously blinked, now if I press this button here, then the LED remains on, lit it, you can see here, right? So for that I'm using these 3 pins. One is of course for the power, 3.3 volt, and then this cord which does the things. Thank you. Once again, that means it's continuously glowing. When I press the button, it is on. All right, thank you.